Hello, everyone, and welcome to the library. Today, we are going to be talking about our databases and how we can use our databases in your history class or for your history class for your project on United States in World War II. So I know you guys are selecting a topic today, and you're going to try to narrow your choices down into one topic to research. So to do that, we're going to look through our databases today. So first, we need to talk about what is a database. So my Professor Lambert, has a great analogy for this, and she relates databases to stores in the mall. So this folder here with our databases is our mall. And so we are going to come into our mall and we are going to find a store in our mall that has the product or information that we are looking for. So like if you were going to the mall and you needed to get a gift for your mother and you wanted to get her a candle, you would not go to Foot Locker to buy a candle, right? So same situation here. These are our stores, and we need to find the store that has what we're looking for. So we know that you are looking for sources or topics rather for your project for U.S. history, and you are looking for United States in World War II. So we know we don't need to come to the health and wellness database because that's not going to have the information that we're looking for. So we need to try a different store or database in this case, right? So we are looking at all of these databases. We have biography, elementary, environmental studies, educators, global issues. Well, here's one for U.S. history right here. So this one is probably going to have what we are looking for regarding the United States in World War II. So we're going to click this Open Now button. And I already have it open right here in this page. And this is the Gale database for U.S. history. So this database contains sources and resources that are related to U.S. history. So for today, for your project, you are going to be trying to narrow down your topic you are going to research relating to the United States in World War II. So one cool thing about these Gale databases is that they have this button right here that says Browse Topics. So if we click this button here, it's going to take us to this huge list of topics that we can look through as sort of a springboard for our topic search. So you guys have been studying World War II, so you already know that World War II happened from 1939 to 1945. So if you wanted to, you could start right here in these decades topics, and you could click on the 1940s, and it's going to give you all these other sources that are related to things that happened in the 1940s, such as World War II, changing patterns in U.S. society after World War II. It's going to give you all sorts of content and images and biographies and videos and audio links and news articles and magazine articles and academic journals. So these topic centers are a great place to start when searching for a topic. If you keep scrolling down here, you'll also see that there's one right here, World War II, American involvement in. So that's a great place to start too. When you click on these topic centers, you'll see that there is an overview of the topic, and you can expand that. And when you do, it gives you all of these different related subjects that you can choose from. It gives you background information. It gives you links within these articles that you can click, and it will take you to, as you can see here, it says related articles for Japanese Americans. So it will take you there to Japanese Americans and World War II, articles related to that. And so that's another way that you could narrow down your topic by utilizing the links within these topic centers. So once you have chosen a topic, you can also, like, if you want to save this section for later, you can cite this. You can send this to yourself through Google Drive, through OneDrive, through email. You can also download the article here to just save it to your device. You could print the article, or you could get the link here. If you have, maybe you have a Google Doc and you're collecting links to articles that are possibilities for your topic, and you're going to go back and you're going to go through those later, but you don't want to lose this article, you could get the link and save it for later. Okay, so besides the browse topic buttons, you can also start from the home page and you can search for United States of America and United States of America and World War II. So that's going to bring you to all of these different search results. You can see that these this is a very broad search because it was just a basic search. But we can also do an advanced search up here by just simply clicking advanced search. And if you'll look at your handout, you'll see that a basic search will allow you to search for a wide variety of materials, while an advanced search allows for a more narrowed down or specific search. To do an advanced search, you click the link that says advanced search under the Omnibox. And so as you can see, that is right here. When you are using an advanced search, you can choose from several different search types. Gale provides short descriptions for each of these search types. And I've put them on this handout for you to refer to easily, but they are also included in Gale itself right here. Simply by clicking right here, these are your search operators, and these are Boolean operators. So these are going to either broaden or narrow your search. So if you use and, it's going to narrow your search. If you put the word and between your search terms, that tells the search engine to find only the documents that include all of the terms you connected with the term and. So children and travel finds documents that contain both terms children and travel. Or you can broaden your search by using or. So you can do, this example says postmortem or autopsy. So it's going to find documents that contain both terms, and just postmortem and just autopsy. So you're going to get a lot more results that way. And then you can use not to exclude words. Okay, so you can, for instance, you can search cats, not dogs. So you would only get documents that contain information about cats and no documents that contain information about dogs. And so again, these tips are just linked right here within Gale. You can also use quotation marks if you want to search for an exact phrase. Then you would just put whatever you want to search for in those quotation marks, and it would only return documents that contain that exact phrase. Within Gale, you also have different types of searches. So you can do a keyword search, and it explains here that keyword searches contain these items in key fields. It does not search the entire document. You could also do a subject search or an author search. For this project, you guys are probably only going to be searching keywords or subjects, and I would really just recommend doing a subject search. Because you are not going to be looking for authors or titles. You're really just going to be looking for subjects. So you want to put your subject term in here, set this to subject, And then if you want to use a Boolean operator, you can, and they are right here. You also have search limiters down here. And for this project, I don't think you're going to need to limit your searches unless you really just want documents that contain images. There is a limiter here for that, and you can just click this box. And then if you click this box, it will limit your search to searches that are to documents that contain images. Okay, so once you have chosen a topic, you can pick the topic that you've chosen, and then we can go over to Destiny, and I want to show you a little bit about searching in Destiny. Let's get us a sample topic to choose from. How about we search for Pearl Harbor attack? So we've decided that we are going to search for the Pearl Harbor attack. We're going to look for resources on that. So we're going to come over to Destiny. And in Destiny, similar to Mac and Via, similar to our databases in Gale, you can do a basic search or you can do a power search. A power search is just Destiny's version of an advanced search. And within Destiny, you have these same Boolean operators. And if you forget what they mean, they're on your handout, but they're also right here. If you just click on this question mark, Destiny will explain to you how these are used. And so then we can search, we can decide, do we want to do a keyword search? Do we want to do a title search, an author search, or a subject search, similar to Gale? And we're going to do a subject search, and we're going to search for Pearl Harbor. So you also have search limiters down here, and you can make sure that you are only searching our campus. So that way you know that the source is going to be easy for you to get. And then we can go ahead and do our search. And then this is all of the resources that we have available in our library for Pearl Harbor. So Destiny is going to be a good place for you to find additional resources once you have your topic that you know you want to search. And I would recommend doing a subject search. A keyword search is going to give you a lot more results than a subject search would. And I think for your search purposes, just using a subject search is going to be your best bet. So take a few minutes and search for topics and talk with your friends about what topics you've chosen, and if you need any help using any of the search terms or Boolean operators or any of those things, you can refer to your handout, or you can ask me and I will come by and help you. So please let me know if you have any questions as you search.